way. So now the 2 bolts that I'm gonna stick in there, those were the ones that supposed to be in there on those clips, and then I just came up with a couple of these. They look like they're just about as big. They're a little bit longer, but like I said, I don't think anything's better than a bunch of straps. This thing's pretty heavy. Okay, that's the sound that you do. That's the sound that you do for CROWNVIC. Depending on what truck you got. Don't get it confused with this. Similar for sure. Hey, welcome to Tagging Adventures today. So I pushed this thing here down, just let it sit flat down so I can stick my hand in there. Like I said, these are going to be at the top. The other ones are going to be at the bottom.
You need a hold or anything?
Okay, so these will be at the bottom. I'll be putting these big bolts at the top. Okay. There, it just sits there, so these are going in the bottom, those are going in the top. Other than that, I ain't gonna be able to film this.
About there?
I don't know. Let's go.
Behind your head.
Yeah, I know. Here, let me take this bumper down and look at something. Nothing in there. I think it just had a burr on it. Let me check this one. It's pretty amazing that they got this heavy bumper on just four little push bolts like that. that for those longer bolts. Oh.
She thinks that she's helping. Or if you had a flashlight or something.
I don't know, it might have went that time. Good. Yeah, it's starting. That's good. Because I didn't know. Oh, this one here took off on me. I gotta get this other side on this started first. Okay. Now, take these longer bolts, put them at the top. It's only got 4.
Something breaking? Oh.
No, it lost this washer.
I didn't know I could see you through there.
Oh, you got it right there?
Yeah.
side it's going to be easy. This side, I don't know. Tight.
So people might have been wondering, they seen us tow the Crown Vic 2 videos ago, I think it was. So we need to fix it right before it gets back on the road.
Well, the timing, I think the timing jumped on it, but don't know for sure.
So the ones that are the Crown Vic lovers out there, we're just letting you know about that. We'll start working on it again when it gets a little bit warmer.
When you park it like this, it keeps the water from getting into the trunk.
So my backyard looks like a graveyard of Fords. Except for the GMC.
Pretty much. Do what you do sometimes. But grease and everything on this hat now. So, as you can see.
Yeah, that looks good. We're lucky we didn't lose it coming over the Rockies with just the bungee cord on it.
Yeah. Well, right here on the state plate, they got the
Rockies.
They got the what's that called? The Cabbage Patch Mountain Range. The Cabbage Patch right there. It's right on the state plate when you're coming across.
You told me what that meant. I forgot.
It's just a nickname that I think it's a nickname. Truckers don't like it because it's a long steady grade. Probably in the wintertime it's always got ice on it. We had ice on it coming through there. So.
Yeah.
But anyways, just showing you that real quick, and I checked all the fluids. Didn't find anything that was going to cause a problem, so that's good. And
Maggie says she wants a ride already.
I guess the next thing we get a chance, we're going to have to replace these hoses.
See?
They're looking pretty old.
She's like, I want to ride. And wink. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to have to put a muffler on this. Going to have to do a few things. Going to have to get these plates transferred over. Get my title first. But.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. And like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And you know, we're going to have plenty to do on this vehicle, that vehicle.
And maybe this vehicle on top of it.
Yeah, that's the one. That's going to be for another video.
Yeah. But yeah, we got home with the other.
Yes, it did. Well, thanks again, and go attack today. Thank you.